my name is Lisa Guglietti. I live on Balsam Drive in Oakville, next door to a Bell facility that has 8 cellular antennas strapped on the structure's chimney. These antennae are just under 15 meters tall and 12 meters from my home, which point directly at our house and into my son's bedroom window. I am speaking today because I'm extremely concerned about the unknown health effect of EMF being emitted from these antennae, and I am baffled that our government, which should be protecting Canadians, is allowing these towers to be installed way too close to people's homes. It has been 2 years now that I have been searching for answers on how such a thing can happen. I have reached out to Industry Canada, Health Canada, and Bell asking how it is possible that these antennae could be placed so close to us. Through my correspondence, I've been told that we should not worry and that we are safe because the cellular antenna's RF emissions are way below Safety Code 6 standards. As stated in a letter from Bell, I would like to confirm that health and safety is of paramount importance to Bell. We abide by all applicable health and safety requirements established by Health Canada as set out in Bell's license conditions. Industry Canada requires that all radio communication operators ensure that radio communication and broadcasting installations comply with Safety Code 6 at all times. Bell attests that our site on Balsam Drive complies with Safety Code 6. I received similar responses from Industry Canada and Health Canada. In a letter from Health Canada, I was also reassured we are safe because our exposure is thousands of times below Safety Code 6 standards. Yet when I inquired about the effects of long-term exposure, I was told that more research needed to be done. So my question is, am I safe or not? Do I have faith in an outdated code and feel safe that my children are being constantly exposed to RF radiation? And do I ignore recent reliable studies such as the BioInitiative report? I figured out that Safety Code 6 is a scapegoat, and telecommunications companies are taking advantage of this outdated code and are putting towers up within meters of people's home, putting them in potential danger because more studies are needed to be done to determine its effects. It seems that Safety Code 6 is being used recklessly to get the optimum cell reception and ignoring the health effects it may have on people. Nothing seems to be off limits for these companies. They have Industry Canada and Safety Code 6 on their side. I am not a scientist, but have done enough research to know there are many studies out there that show long-term EMF exposure is harmful. If this is the case, Health Canada, you cannot ignore it. Your job is to protect Canadians, review Safety Code 6, and update it to correspond with advancing technology. My home is meant to be a safe refuge, yet I have no say or rights to protect my family from cellular antennae that are meters from my home. I have spoken today as a representative for all those people across the country who are in similar situations. I am asking Health Canada to review and revise the Safety Code 6 to be proactive, to be reviewed periodically, and to keep up with technology. I ask that this new revised code embrace the adverse biological effects of electromagnetic radiation over long periods of time. I thank you for letting me take this opportunity to speak.